In this video, I'll explain how to get fonts on Gboard. I've thoroughly checked Gboard and never found an option to directly change its font. It only has one default font. However, I have two solutions for you. The first is to change your phone's system font. Navigate to the display options in your phone's settings and change the font there. This will automatically change the font for your entire phone, including the Gboard keyboard. The second solution is to install a third-party application from the Google Play Store. An app called Fonts Keyboard can give you different font styles for your keyboard without any difficulty, and it's free. After installation, open the app, click Enable the Keyboard, and then enable the new keyboard in your phone's settings. Go back to the app and set the new keyboard as your default. Now you have a keyboard with different font styles without changing the complete font of your phone.